This is telling customer the order continuously carbonization furnace turn the biomass to charcoal and biochar industrial production scale. It's rotary working continuously 24 hours input and output. This is new generation, it can save the shipping space. This is preheating fuel, we can choose liquid gas, diesel, biogas, and also the pellet burners. From here is input. The input is adjustable according to the raw material feedstock condition. Carbonization temperature 500 to 700 degrees. All the smoke will through this combustion chamber reactor decompose volatile organic chemicals and nitrogen oxide. Control system can change to PLC automatically system based on the budget. Pyrolysis reactor temperature and the heating rate all adjustable. Only 15 minutes we can get the syngas recycled. So normally only after 1 to 2 hours we can use the syngas as the main heating fuel. For high heat value materials we get 40 to 60 extra gas. So the heat energy recovery is much higher than previous model. This is testing temperature 690 centigrade. From this side is a discharging. After the cooling, we get the cooled down biochar and charcoal. We are providing the whole production line solutions and equipment, and the whole system is always upgrading based on the customer's feedback and also the market requirements. The final charcoal biochar can be widely used for high-quality activated carbon fertilizer, barbecue shisha charcoal, and also grill charcoal. Before cooling it's over 150 centigrade, and after cool down we have 26 centigrade. If you're interested to get industrial charcoal making machines, carbonization furnace, don't hesitate to contact him. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye!